Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, how to this auto rotate problem in while watching videos or photos. When you just put your phones upside down like this, it automatically shifts to auto rotate feature when you opens the YouTube app like this. When you just open the YouTube and when you just tilt your smartphone like this, it automatically shifts to uh, or auto rotate. How you can off these settings? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option and swipe down. If you can't find the settings, then you can search it also. Display and brightness option, click on that icon and swipe down. You can see there is a auto rotate feature. You can see there it is, and then when you just turn it off, and it will be not rotate anymore when you just open video or audio or YouTube video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.